Hello everyone. In this video, we will talk about function arguments. To send arguments to the function arguments, it means send key and value. We will define function, def keyword, function 1. To define a parameters as an argument, we have to enter asterisk asterisk beside the parameter student. Double dot. And we will print the parameter name student. And we will call the parameter function parameter name function 1, and we will send the parameter as an argument. First argument number equal 1, comma, name equal string Danny, comma, third parameter score equal 4. And we will run the program. This is a Python dictionary. This is the key number 1, and second key name and the value for the key Danny, and third key score and the value 40. And also we can make some modifications in this function. We can change this return student. And also here we can store the result for function in variable dec1 equal function 1, call the function and pass the parameters as arguments with keys and values. And now we will print the dictionary 1, print dictionary 1, and run. This is the dictionary. And also we can use built-in function print type of dictionary 1 and run. It's a class dictionary. It's a Python dictionary. We can use argument to create a dictionary from a function.
Thanks for watching, and I hope this video was useful for you. If you like this video, please consider subscribing, and I hope to see you in next video.